Hey guys, what's up? It's Cece and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. Today, as you guys can see by the title of the video, I will be comparing two of Maybelline's most popular foundations. The first foundation that we have up will be the Maybelline Superstay foundation with the 24-hour wear claim. I have already tried this, so this will not be a first impressions video. Then the next foundation that I'll be using will be the Maybelline Fit Me Matte Poreless, and both of these are in the color Mocha. Now, before I get into this wear test, let me just be honest, okay? Sis, this is not no 24-hour foundation. This is not 24 hours. It's not. So what I'm going to be doing today is dividing my face half and half. I'm going to give this another shot, and I'm going to use what I normally use on a day-to-day basis. Is either this or I use my Revlon Color Stay foundation. So yeah, I'm going to split my face in half. I'm going to use two separate sponges. So let me show you. Now let me just say this. Judge your mama, not my sponges, because I get my money out of my sponges, okay? So we have this raggedy one that's already splitting in half that I'll be using for the Superstay foundation. It still works just as good. And then I'll be using this one for the Fit Me Matte Poreless. On the right side of my face, I'll be taking my Maybelline Superstay foundation. On the left side of my face, I'll be taking my Maybelline Fit Me Matte Poreless foundation. Okay, so the base is done. This is the Maybelline Fit Me Matte Poreless side. This is the Superstay. Leave it to me to grab the wrong damn concealer. This concealer is way too light. Okay. So I'm just going to go on top of that with Fawn, making sure that whatever I do to one side, I do to the other, because I don't want y'all thinking that I'm trying to intentionally make this side not work. So now you guys see how like the foundation balances itself out. And I'm going to use my black Opal foundation stick in the color Black Walnut. Sasha Buttercup powder used to be my jam, but when I tell y'all I'm like obsessing over Airspun right now, I don't know why, but I love my Airspun. And I guess this is kind of like a full face drugstore routine, because literally everything I've used besides the primers are drugstore. Digging even further into my drugstore, I'm going to use my Black Radiance powder in Cafe. Next, I'm using my Coconut Rose Water, and this is from TJ Maxx. Yes, get into it. I hate that I told a lot of people about this, because every time I go, it's always sold out. But I'm just gonna use this the same way that you would use Fix Plus to make sure that I, like, you know, get all the powder out of my face, because I don't like looking like, you know. Hey guys, I'm back and my makeup is completely done. I popped on my lashes, I popped on my lip, I've gone ahead and gotten my hair together. For you guys that may have questions about my hair, I promise I have details coming. Let me not say soon, but the details are coming, okay? Real quick, before I leave, let me tell you guys what else I used on my face while I was off camera. I went ahead and used my bronzer, my CoverGirl Queen Collection Ebony bronzer is what I used on my cheeks to warm up my face. I also used my Nika K lip liner in Cocoa. You guys know this, that's like a staple in my makeup. The Wet n Wild Bare It All lipstick is just a nice nude, and then I used my Rihanna Fenty Balm Gloss to top everything. So yes, all the products that I use on my face, they will be listed down below. And like I said, I'll be back to check in with you guys after wearing the foundation for a few hours. So yeah, I'll see you guys in my next clip. If you guys do not remember, the Maybelline Fit Me Matte Poreless is on this side, and then the Maybelline Superstay is on this side. Like I said, I do not care for this Superstay because it does. Stay where, sis? Stay where? Let me tell y'all about this, okay? We were so busy at work that I really didn't have time to step away and show y'all how shady this foundation is against me, but my foundation was separating on this side of my face. Like, thank God I had my mineralized skin finish in my purse, because when I did get a chance to, like, you know, tap, like I had to like duck behind my desk and like pat my face so that way nobody would see me doing that. I had to basically fill in where the product started to separate right in this area. Now let me just give you guys a reference point. I am oily combination, well, more combination than oily, because the only thing that ever really gets oily is like my T-zone. It's like my T-zone area, but the outside of my face is normally, it's pretty normal. I don't get dry and it's not oily. So yes, all of this was breaking up on this side of my face. I don't know who they've been letting test this foundation. Like, who put this on? That's oily combination. Say yes, girl. It 24-hour wear. 24 hours where, sis? Where? Like, I really do hate that I didn't get a chance to like break away from like my customers so that way I can show you guys exactly how my face was looking literally 3 hours after I got to work. 3 hours. 3 hours. Like, thank God today was a short day, but yeah, I can't. So this foundation, if you guys see me using this, I love the way that it looks when it first goes on. But as far as like wearing it, is wearability even a word? If it's not, I'm gonna make it one. The wearability on this is not it. It's just not. So when I start digging into like doing more creative looks, then I'll use this foundation, because I do want to make sure I actually use it. I spent $11 of my hard-earned money on this, so I am going to make sure that I use the product. But this will probably be the foundation that y'all be seeing me wear until this is just gone, because I honestly can't wait to just throw this in the trash. Like, I can't. I can't deal with it. This is probably the wrong camera for me to even be showing this to y'all on, because the A5100 is going to make everything look good, but sis, I just cannot with this side of my face. I can't. Like, if this side was Cardi B, this would be Azalea Banks, okay? Hating. I can't. I cannot. If you have oily combination skin and you are making this Superstay work for you, please tell me in the comment section below how you are getting this foundation to stay. Because like I said, the coverage, bomb. The complexion, bomb. But it does not last. And I can't. I can't. I'm doing too much throughout the day to be consistently blotting my face. So I like to stick with what I know. So when it comes down to these two foundations, Fit Me is definitely going to be bae. Like, Fit Me is bae. If you guys would like to see more videos like this, leave that down in the comment section below. Don't forget to thumbs up so that way I know that you guys like these types of videos. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram. And Instagram is where I think I'm going to start using my polls, because you guys know they have those things in the story where basically you can go through and vote. So anytime I'm like thinking about content that I want you guys feedback on, or just wanting to see what you guys want to see, period, I'm going to start posting polls on Instagram for you guys to vote, so that way I can make sure that I'm uploading content that you guys actually want to see. But anywho, I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I will see you all in the next video. I'm out.